learned about in the last class cultivation of crops. That is meaning of the cultivation is that the preparation of use of land for growing crops is called cultivation. It cultivation have some steps. That is first one, the tilling and the soil, tilling the soil. Next seed selection and sowing. Third one fertilizers and manure. Fourth one is irrigation. Fifth one is weeding. Sixth one is harvesting. We learned about in the first class that tilling the soil. That is meaning but digging or turning the soil. Digging or turning over the soil. It is used to loosen is called tilling or tilling the soil. That is the tilling of the soil is also called plowing. Next one is seed selection and sowing. Seed selection means so many seeds are we have to protect in the going on last cultivation period that crops grains are coming. We have to protect some seeds and that in our home. Otherwise we buy that fertilizer starts to that. We have next year what we have to sowing the seeds, we have to buy them and we have to protect them. That is the main important of the cultivation. Because if the seeds are very good means the plant will grow healthy and given that healthy grains it will come. That is the main first step on this cultivation of the seed selection. After that we have to put in the soil. That after the tilling that we have to seed selection, we have to put in the soil the seeds. It is the important chosen to the right quality of seeds for good growth. Right quality of seed is that help to the good crop. Next one, third one is we have to learn about today this class fertilizers and manure. What is the meaning of fertilizers? It is giving food to the plant, healthy food. Like we are taking we have to take in good food, vitamin food like fruits, vegetables, vitamin supplements. We have to take in our good health, no? That type only the plants we have to give it to them good proteins and vitamin food. That is that fertilizers and manure we can call. These are, what is these? These are means this fertilizers and manure is called manure are adding into the soil to make more fertilizer for the growth of crops. For the growth of crops. Yes, it is the manure or fertilizer is adding to the soil. Over the soil we have to adding to the soil to make more fertilizer. To make more fertilizer for the growth of crops. We have to do the crops will come good. Crops will come means we have to add that fertilizers and manure. Then it will come good crops. That fertilizers can be artificial as well as natural. Yes, some chemical fertilizers we can use our cultivation period are natural. Natural means cow dung, the waste matter of that was falling down that leaves, waste damage, plants. We have to gather one place. After that we have to, before the cultivation we have to put in over the soil, tilling. After we have to put the manure or natural pesticides. That is, that manure is that waste matter from animals that is spread over or mixed with the soil to help to grow. Yes, manure is the waste matter. Now I have said to you that waste matter means leaves, dried stems and waste, died plants. They have to gather one place. We have to store. After that, from animals also, waste material from animals that is spread over or mixed with the soil to help to grow. And that manure is a natural fertilizer. Manure is a natural fertilizer. It is helps to grow good crops. That is that fertilizer and manure is that adding into the soil to make more fertilizer. It helps to growth of crops. Next, fertilizer can be artificial and natural. And manure is the waste matter. What is the manure mean? The waste matter it is coming from the plants and animals. They spreaded over by that mixed with the soil. It is helps to grow. That manure is the natural fertilizer. Is that about that fertilizers and manure. Now, yes, manure is the natural pesticides. Next going to irrigation. After adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation is needed for crops to grow. After irrigation means after manure, after we have to do irrigation to the crops. Why? Because without water the plants will not grow. After adding manure is fertilizers, irrigation is needed for the crops to grow. The practice of supplying water to an agriculture land through pipes or channels is called irrigation. Yes. How can we throw the land water? We can supply the water from the pipes, tank to pipes to the crops. Next, it is called as irrigations. Next one, that weeding. Weeding means the protection of the crop, also called weeding. The protection of the plant is called weeding. Weeds means unwanted plants that grow along with the crop. Unwanted plants grow along with the crops. Naturally called weeds. The unwanted plants are naturally called weeds. Removing weeds is called weeding. We have to remove the unwanted plants. That is called weeding. The weeds affect the growth of crop and can be poisonous for the animals and human beings. It can be poisonous to the, if we not removing unwanted plants from the crop, it was poisonous. It is unhealthy to us. It is affected to our bodies or animals, anything. That is that poisonous for the animals and human beings. It is the most important growing crop is doing weeding. Yes, children. Weeding after next step is that harvesting. That act of harvesting. That act of cultivating and gathering rice crops is called harvesting. The act of cutting and gathering ripe crops are called harvesting. Harvesting can be done by that manually and also with the machines. That harvesting can be done by that manually or machines. That machine name is harvest. That is manually means so many people are going to cut the rice plants to put one place and they have to cut in the land of crops. Acres, how many acres of land rice crops are growing on, that have to manually, they can go to 10 members or 20 members and they have to go 2 days or 3 days they have to go and they have to cut that rice crops. Then we have to learn about agricultural equipment for tilling the soil. We have to know the names of tilling the soil agriculture equipments, that is plow, hoe, cultivator and plow in the past. Next one, that agriculture equipment for the sowing seeds. Agriculture equipment sowing seeds is that seed drill, finial shaped drill. Seed drill, finial shaped drill. And that next one, that agriculture equipment for the harvesting is that farmer is using a sickle for harvesting and harvester. Harvester is the man. This is the sickle doing with the manually. The machine harvester, it can be done by the manually. Harvester is the machine. These are the about cultivation of crops. We have to learn about how to do that soil fertile and what are the steps of that harvesting in this lesson. We have to done by that 5 steps are there to cultivate the crops, and we can do that step by step. The crops will come very good.